everyone, it's Ruby here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Now in today's video, I wanted to challenge myself and create the glass skin makeup look on my skin type. Now, just bear with me. I am trying something new where I don't say anything negative about myself, especially my skin. Because the way that I talk about myself and the way that I talk about my skin, like I would never think or say that about another human being. Now, I was watching back a few of my older videos, and in these videos, I was describing my skin as horrible and bad, and that is not the case. Growing up, I have been told by people that I have bad skin. I never used to think that about myself, and I was told this so many times that I ended up believing it. I believed it so much that I would come on here and tell you guys that I have bad skin. And that is definitely not the case. I am not wearing any foundation. I actually have on this amazing tinted base. It also blurs the skin, smooths the pores, and it's super mattifying, but not in a flat way. So your skin still gets that beautiful glow. Anyways, we're gonna talk about that in the video. So let's get started. So you guys know that I like to prep my skin before applying my makeup because I can't get my makeup to look the way I want it to without really working in my skincare and preparing my skin for makeup. Now, I've got quite a lot of electrical equipment around me, so I will be using a damp face halo to wet my skin. I've just woken up, so I haven't cleansed my face yet. So I thought I would do that on camera with you all. So I'm just gonna pat this face halo all over my skin. To cleanse my skin, I am taking the Avène Cleanance Cleansing Gel. You would have seen me feature this quite a few times on my channel. I really do like this cleanser because it's super forgiving on dry, acne-prone skin types. So I'm gonna use a little bit of this cleanser. I'm just going to wet my hands because I do have a little bowl of water in front of me. And I'm just going to work this onto my skin. And the reason why I am still using this cleanser is because there's thermal spring water in here. You know how Avène is like famous for their thermal spring water? Like, you know when your pimple dries up and it has like this crusty texture and it just looks horrible under makeup? Yeah, you don't get any of that. And it works really, really good if you've got breakouts on your body, like your chest and on your back. Cleanse skin in the morning. Oh, so good. I am now using the Avène Skin Recovery Cream. I've switched over to this one. And just for the record, I am not being sponsored to feature these two products. As you can see, I really like them. They work, so I use them. We need eye cream. Okay, so for eye cream, I am using the Ulla Henriksen Banana Bright. Just gonna pop that underneath my eyes and right in that inner corner. I will be highlighting underneath my base today. So I have here the Liquid Light in the shade Opal by Mecca Max. Really good product for highlighting your face, your body. You can use it underneath your makeup, over top of your makeup. So I'm just using a small amount. And by small, I mean a very generous amount on the tops of my cheeks right here, on the dip of my nose in between my brows, Cupid's bow, and also the chin. Now, when you choose a highlighter, if you do have a similar skin tone and complexion as I do, you want to go for something that isn't super white. This has like a slight pink and purple pearlescent undertone. Moving on to the base, I will be using this new product from Avène. This is the new Cleanance Expert Tinted, and this is the product that I'm actually working with Avène to promote. And it's really cool because this product has just launched and I do have the opportunity to try products before they launch here in Australia. And this is something that I've been using when I'm wearing like a no makeup look. This is the base that I have been using. And the reason why I like this, and you'll see, like I don't really need to talk this product up. It does look a little dark when you pop it on the back of your hand compared to my skin tone, but I'm just gonna work this into the skin. And instead of like telling you what it does, which I will as well, but I thought I would show you how this product performs. So this is like a tinted product. It's also formulated to treat breakouts, like blemishes, like large blemishes that I have going on my skin, pimples and whatnot. It's very subtle, but it improves the condition of your skin, like the look of your skin. So once this product settles into my skin, my pores are going to look a lot smoother. My skin is going to look really radiant. This isn't like a full coverage product that's going to get rid of my blemishes and cover my acne. No, this is going to stop any new breakouts from forming. I also notice that when I do wear this product, that my pimples aren't sore to the touch. So I feel like it really is doing its job. I like to apply a little bit more on these areas. But can you see the overall look of my skin? I can see that it looks really good. So this product is matte, but it's not like a flat matte. This will give your skin a slight glow, but it will keep your skin looking matte. It will keep your pores looking smooth. And have a look at that. Now you're probably thinking, girl, your acne is still showing and your under eyes are still dark. I genuinely believe that everybody has really good skin. But the thing that we look at when we look at somebody's face is like imperfections on the skin and also dark under eyes. Once I knock out my dark under eyes and my blemishes with some concealer, which you'll see shortly, you don't really need anything else on the skin. Like, it looks like I'm not wearing any makeup. This is slightly tinted. And of course, if you prefer more coverage, you can use this underneath your makeup as a base for your foundation, which is something that I often do. I was wearing it underneath my CoverGirl True Blend foundation, the new one. But I really do like the look of my skin with this product on its own. Can you see that? Can you see how it looks like my skin has been perfected? I mean, of course, I do have my blemishes once again and dark circles. This isn't like a super full coverage product, but can you see the effect that it gives my skin, how it improves the condition of my skin? I'm going to say that over and over again because I really do like this product. I really like the formula, and I love how people with dry, acne-prone skin like myself can benefit from this product. And of course, it is suited for all skin types. Now, we're going to go in with concealer. I've got some Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C5. And I'm just going to take a synthetic brush, if I can find one. I'm going to start patting over some concealer on the areas that need a little more coverage. Just to keep this skin looking like skin, I'm not going to conceal everything, but I will be blending the concealer out using my fingers. Make sure that your fingers are clean. Definitely keep some hand sanitizer on your makeup table or near wherever you apply your makeup in the mornings or evenings. It's super important that you use clean hands when doing this. For those who might make comments that if I'm using these products, why do I still have breakouts? I think my products are working wonders for my skin. So the reason for my breakout, I know that I have a few internal issues going on. So for me, when my skin breaks out like this, it's because I've eaten something that doesn't agree with my digestive system. So I know that my stomach and my gut, they are linked to my skin, and when I've eaten something and when I don't feel good, my skin breaks out. So I am dealing with some internal issues right now, which explains my skin. But I do believe if I hadn't have been using these products, I think my skin would be a lot worse, to be honest. This is one massive pimple. It's casting a shadow. Damn. Makeup Revolution is just one of those makeup brands that puts out really good products at affordable prices. See what I mean? Once you knock out the blemishes, once you pop on a little bit of concealer underneath your eyes, there's really not much work that you need to do on your base. So just saying. Remember this pretty girl? We're going to layer her on top of our makeup. We're literally going to use a tiny amount this time, and we're just going to concentrate it here. I have this gorgeous L'Oreal eye paint here in the shade 306. This is what it looks like. It's a beautiful contour shade. It's a really beautiful everyday brown shade, and I'm literally just going to tap this onto my lid. I'm now using the Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette. This is quite a pricey product compared to everything else that I have been using. But this is one of the Dior, it's one of Dior's more affordable cosmetic line. Now I'm going to be taking this bronzy shade right here. I'm gonna work this close to the base of my lashes and then slightly flick it out. It's like an uber baby wing that kind of tricks the eye into making it look like our eye is like longer, more extended out, as you can see. I'm now taking this super light iridescent shade and working that right here and here. Really do like the formula of these powdered highlighters, but the pan is super cheap, so everything just plonks out. I will be powdering my face ever so slightly with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. Just going to set around the areas that I've concealed. Now dipping back into that highlight shade once again, tapping off the excess. Just going to go over that area. Just gonna add a little bit more and a little bit more. For some mascara, and I've really been liking the NARS Climax mascara, the new one. So I'm just gonna apply a light layer of mascara. I'm even gonna do the Mecca Max Starlit Pencil in the waterline. This is a really good all over pencil that you can use like on your eyes, on your face, on your body. Definitely one that you should check out at Mecca. I will be finishing off with a light colored brow gel just to knock the edge off my brows and to set them in place. Dior Addict Lip Glow. That looks really good. I think I'm gonna finish off with a little bit of the Avène Thermal Spring Water Spray because our highlighters are literally going to pop and our base makeup is going to look so dewy and fresh. So I'm gonna pop that on now. And that is literally the secret. You need to wet everything down and it just has this really nice glow, this beautiful dew. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I am so incredibly sorry about the really long intro. I just had a few things that I wanted to get off my chest and tell you guys about a few things that have been helping me. Now, I have skin demons. You guys know that I have always suffered with breakouts and acne. So I just wanted to let you guys know what's been going through my head and my attitude towards myself and my skin. So I really do want you to start trying to not say anything negative about yourself. And if you do have a skin condition like I do, it's totally fine. It's normal. You don't have bad skin. I promise. There are a lot of good skincare products on the market, and there are amazing makeup products on the market that you can enhance the things that you love about yourself and conceal the things that you don't. It's not a big deal. At the end of the day, it's makeup that washes off, and you need to learn to love yourself with makeup and without makeup. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on my social media accounts. If you've got Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, even Snapchat, and I'll also see you in a brand new video next week. I love you. Bye.